Hello again, Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So, what's in the box? Or the bag? It was actually already kind of ripped open, so not much of an unboxing, but hey, Pixel Buds Pro. Let's open them, see what they're all about, and see if they're any good. I don't have the Pixel Watch yet, but it's coming. Not a lot of SMR. And then on the bottom, did I say SMR? ASMR? Ta-da! Oh, it's like a little egg. Oh! Whoops. Okay, well, there was an unintentional drop test. So they just literally pop right out of the box. And a little bit of wax paper. And there they are, extreme close-up. Nice little... You know, I normally put my phones in airplane mode before I do these because as soon as you open these, if you have an Android phone, which is the one I'm filming on, the Z Flip4, it automatically connects. And then as soon as I took this out, it killed the video feed. So this is the left one. You know, that feels pretty nice. And here's the right one. Nice. So there's noise active cancellation, and then there's noise isolation, and you get a little bit when you get the right eardrums in. So now we'll see what else is in this box. A little shell. Oh, that's cool. That is really cool. So I'm guessing that's a medium and a large, or a small and a large. Really nice packaging, Google. Yeah, I like that. That's really very minimalistic. And then also in this is a manual, and there is no charging cable and there is no charging brick. That's it. That's all you get. So let me pair these to an Android phone, play with them for a bit. But my initial, just out of the box, literally experience, I like them. I like the design. Very small, similar to other ones, but I like how this one is just really egg-shaped. That's all I can say. So boom, it fits right in my sleeve. They don't hurt yet, which is good. I tried a couple pair, more than a few pair last year, and as soon as I put them in, they didn't feel good, but these feel good. Let's try the shake test. Tousled my hair. I shook my head so hard. Yeah, and I like this almost orange, or whatever color you want to call it. Let me get the phone to focus on there. Especially the black on orange. Now, one thing that can be tricky is how difficult are they to get back in? So this is the left one. Okay. Yeah, in a way, they just kind of funnel right in there. Case is slippery. I'm going to have to get a protective case because I dropped it unboxing it, and it's not slimy. There's a slight... Can you hear that? There's a slight matte finish to it. And it smells like... It smells like a Google. I mean, do you know what a Google smells like? It smells like that. Okay. BRB. That stands for be right back. The Google Pixel Buds Pro, brought to you by the makers of the Google. Yeah. And this video was sponsored by the Paramount Kid because he wants me to go like this. And we're back. Hours later, I've had these in my ears. I actually had to, whoops, that's the right one. I actually had to take a break. Now this is a good song to test music to. Seven Nation Army, The White Stripes. I actually listened to a band earlier today, play this live. And if any of you guys are watching, it was awesome. Your performance was top notch. Anyway, good bass. Okay, so this is important. So I'm going to start at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 clicks, and then you can really hear the tunes. Now, this is a really cool thing about the buds. You can open up the app, and you can go right to sound, and then you can change the equalizer settings. So you can have heavy bass, light bass, balance, vocal boost, clarity, and then you can listen to the sound. And then of course, yes, noise cancellation or transparency. When you do noise cancellation, you'll hear a little ding that it's changed, and then you go back to your music. Oh yeah, that's better. So lots of features with these buds. We talked about the touch controls, so the swipe forward, swipe backwards, single tap, double tap, triple tap, touch and hold. Only the touch and hold can be customized to how you want to talk to Siri. They are IPX4, which is kind of splash resistant, sweat proof to some degree, depends on who you are. And the case is IPX2, so not as water resistant. If you don't have active noise cancellation on, so if you turn that off, meaning you have to go to the app or you do the tap thing, the music should last for about 11 hours. That's pretty cool. With the case, we're looking at 31 hours, which is 7 hours longer than the Pixel Buds A. They do have these little softer ear tips. To be honest, I think they feel just as soft as other, but who am I to call Google a liar? But I don't know. The sensors actually measure the pressure in your ear canal. So that would be these little sensors right there. And then they do have some air vents. See right there? Nice. And that should relieve the pressure and then allow your ears to have a more comfortable fit. So that's good. Plethora of touch controls, and yes, wireless charging. Now this is something that would be fun to test. Would your Samsung charge them? Here we go. Wireless power sharing enabled. Ready to charge. There's the light. So you can wirelessly charge Google Pixel phones with a Samsung. So they're Qi compatible. That's basically all you need to know. And right there it says sharing. So wireless, nice. Now here's a big one. They come in 4 colors. They're $200. If you have the Google One account, you can save 10%. So I got these for $180. And yes, I did buy them. This isn't some promo thing. They come in 4 colors. These are the coral. They also come in fog, which is this kind of murky white, and then charcoal. I'm calling it a dusty black, and then lemongrass. That is a soft yellow. So there you go. Those, yeah, they sound better than other headphones. Are they worth $200? You're gonna have to try them out for yourself. They come with a ton of features. I've been listening to them for the past 3 hours, and then I went down to 85%. That's pretty cool. So good battery life. So if they say they're gonna last 31 hours, I'm not gonna listen to 31 hours straight music. Mostly I need them to go 8 hours, and they can. They'll even go 11. Now what if you lose them? You have 3 options. 1, bribe your kids with a free meal and have them look. Number 2, get off the couch, turn off Netflix, and go look for them yourself. 3, use the app. When you do lose them, you just open up the app, find device. Now here's the tricky thing. They have to be out of the case. There is no speaker on the case. So if you lose your headphones inside the case, you're out of luck, but you can do last known location, so that's good. And then you just click ring left. Takes a second. Can you hear that? It gets up to about 45 to 50 decibels, and you can ring both simultaneously. And then based off my measurements, yeah, about 55 decibels when they're both playing. So if it was outside and you lost these, well, you better hope it gets really quiet. You might not find them. They could be louder. That's what I'm saying. And that's it. We're going to call that day one. If they fit in your ear, great. If not, well, you're not going to like them. They fit in my ears. It's a different shape, that's for sure. But I do like the noise cancellation. I went outside and a car drove by. I could barely hear the car. So that's good. I had my kids in the background in the kitchen, could still hear the music. And that's really what you want for active noise cancellation. As far as noise isolation, they're buds. They're not over the earmuffs. And that's, but, you know, for running, for, whoa, accidentally started the music. And Seven Nation Army was blasting my ears. The bass is good. Now the cool thing is, yes, they have a pretty good reach. I left my phone down here in my basement studio, went all the way up to the kitchen. That's about 50 feet away, and I could still hear the music. So Bluetooth 5.0, awesome. Let me know your thoughts. Which color are you going to get? Are you going to go for the coral? Are you going to go for these right here? Fog, charcoal, or are you going to go for a nice, soft lemongrass? Kind of a greenish. Do I have anything yellow in here? Anyway, yeah. But hey, wireless charging, they last longer than the Pixel Buds A from last year. By the way, those are now only $90 with the Google One discount, but yeah, that's all I have for today. I like them. I'll have a follow-up video soon, probably a week later or so, and let me know your thoughts. Pithy comments, type those down below. Appreciate your time, and thanks for watching. And yes, let those credits roll for the Paramount Kid. Now, if you stay tuned, there's like the setup boring stuff after the credits if you really want to watch that. Goodbye. So far, so good. They just, as soon as you open them, you get this little splash screen on your phone, and then you quickly get prompted to download an app. That took really like nothing at all. It's a quick app, especially if you're in Wi-Fi. Welcome to your Pixel Buds Pro. And then you can skip that, or you can say get started. Your favorite media and Google Assistant at your fingertips. Well, I think we should do get started. Get started, legal termination. Then you have legal terms and conditions. I'm gonna say accept. Try on your earbuds. All right, let's do it. Find the best fit and comfort. Oh, and there's music playing. So it comes with small, medium, and large. And it says find the best fit. Each ear may need a different size. Now, I have a friend who's an audiologist. This part's very, very important. Make sure you try on all the sizes. Now, right now, I'm just filming the video and I'll just try on the other sizes. And then if neither of the three sizes fit for you, contact your local audiologist and get some other sizes, because there are more than just small, medium, and large. There's like another 10 different sizes and they come in cool colors. I'm gonna see if I can get a matching coral one for my friend. And if you need a recommendation and you live in Utah County, let me know. There's your big recommendation on finding the right size by Google. Next, check your ear tip seal. Okay, get a good seal because that helps cancel out noises. So that's the whole noise isolation that we've talked about. So when you have earmuffs like that, you get really good noise isolation because it's blocking out the exterior noise. And it has that really cool graphic. That's just pretty. Check now. Get ready to check your ear tip seal. Make sure they're in. All right, start. This evaluation will take 20 seconds. So it's playing some music in both ears. Sounds pretty good. Some nice, deep, rich sounds. Oh, I'm supposed to stay still. Finish. All right, swipe forward. Raise, oh, looks like I raised the volume too loud. It's warning me that I can damage my hearing. Swipe backward to lower the volume. And then you see right there, see how it's lowering? And now it's raised. Okay, that's very cool. And then single tap to answer a call. Cool. Double tap, next track or reject a call. And triple tap, we have previous track. So there you go. Lots of really cool controls. Next. This part's very important because this way you can just talk to your phone through your earbuds. And I'm going to say, and then it quickly downloads some information to the phone. Use your voice to do more. Next. Your assistant will be right with you. Access your assistant with Hey Google. So basically, you're not necessarily selling your soul to Google. You're just agreeing to the terms. I agree. And I just remembered I did not turn on my front light. Is that a big difference? Do you like that better? Add touch and hold assistant. Very cool. A way to talk to an assistant without saying, Hey Google. Yeah, you can pretend you're a secret agent. You know, you just like click on the thing and, hey, what's the weather in Paris, France? Allow your assistant to read notifications for you. Come on, how cool is that? To hear your messages. Nice. My assistant is ready. That was pretty easy. So left ear is 100%. Right ear is 100%. Find device. Cool. Multi-point. Your headphones can connect to any two Bluetooth devices at the same time. Use multi-point. When you're playing media, your headphones can automatically switch to calls on connected devices. Very nice, Google. Very nice. All right, let's see what the case charge is. So again, quickly just take those out, put them in. Case 100, right 100. Well, that's pretty cool that it came 100%. Thank you for watching that tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed the rest. Thank you for staying tuned to the end and after the credits, and I'll have a follow-up review on these soon. Thanks for watching the very, very end. Goodbye.